Struggling to fall asleep fast? Here's a military sleep technique that helps you knock out in just 2 minutes. Yes, even if you are on a battlefield. This method was developed for US Navy pilots during the Second World War. They had to fall asleep quickly, anytime, anywhere, like in the cockpit of a fighter jet. Start by completely relaxing your face. Let go of all tension in your forehead, your jaw, even your tongue. Now drop your shoulders as low as possible. Let your arms fall naturally by your sides. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let the tension melt away. With every breath, feel your chest and legs go heavy, like you're sinking into your mattress. Let your mind and body go quiet. Now picture this. You're lying in a canoe, floating gently on a calm lake with nothing but a clear blue sky above you. Still thinking too much? Silently repeat this phrase for 10 seconds. Don't think, don't think, don't think. It might take a couple of weeks to master, but studies showed that 96% of people who practiced this daily fell asleep within 2 minutes. No screens, no supplements, just training your brain. Try it tonight and let me know how it goes. And if you want more science-backed brain and body hacks, tap that follow button. If this tip made your day a little easier, imagine what's next. Tap subscribe so you never miss practical advice for elder care.